What up, guys? So, today I have a very special subject. We're gonna address the problem of I can't lose weight. What should I do? And you know what? You know what you should do when you're complaining that you can't lose weight? Shut the fuck up and get to fucking work, bitch. No, I'm fucking serious, right? I see this fucking everywhere. I can't lose weight. What should I do? I can't lose this. Blah, blah. That's all fucking excuses. That's all fucking excuses, guys. There is no can't. There's nothing in this world you can't achieve if you want to, if you have a will, work ethic, and dedication. There's fucking nothing you can't achieve. So don't fucking say this. You can't lose weight. Why the fuck not? Look, I get it. I was the same when I was a naive kid back then. Look, it's hard to lose weight. Of course it is. Naturally, if it were easy, anyone would do it, right? We'd be fucking having grandmas with shredded abs walking around. But that doesn't happen because it's fucking hard. And I think it's good that it's hard. Now, let's address the problem. Why can't you lose weight? The first step you should do, be in a calorie deficit. Burn more calories than you consume. Simple as that. Step number 2. Be in a calorie deficit. And can you guys guess what's step number 3? Be in a fucking calorie deficit. No, I'm just kidding, right? So look, you have to be in a calorie deficit. And a lot of guys, they say, I'm dieting, but I'm not losing weight. What's fucking happening? Maybe I've done some metabolic damage to my body. Maybe my hormones are fucked up. Look, it's true. Your body's hormones are fucked up when you're dieting. But if you are in a calorie deficit, you're gonna lose weight. There's no way around that. You can't go over the law of thermodynamics. It's fucking impossible. Look, if you're in a deficit, you're gonna lose weight no matter what. That's the fucking truth here. So when you guys say I can't lose weight, you're not in a calorie deficit. Maybe you've been losing fat up until now and you have just a few pounds to go, but now you stop losing weight. Why? Because you're no longer in a calorie deficit. Your weight has dropped, your body's resting metabolic rate has dropped. The calories your body burns in a day has dropped. So now the same calories you were eating to lose fat weeks before are now basically your body's maintenance, because your body adjusts and adapts to basically everything. For me personally, it takes about 3 to 4 weeks, and that's for most people. For most people, it takes 3 to 4 weeks for the body to adapt to your calorie deficit. So if you're eating 2,000 calories, you're gonna lose weight for 3 to 4 weeks. Then that's gonna start to become your body's new maintenance. And to lose more weight, guess what? You're gonna have to go to 1750. 1600 calories, 1500 calories. You just have to drop it lower. But don't say you can't lose weight. You're just not willing to lose weight. Because going to 1500 calories is fucking hard. Okay? So that's the only solution here. Drop calories lower. That's the only thing that's gonna help here. And sometimes for the last 10 pounds, you're gonna have to go in a very deep calorie deficit. I'm sorry, but that's just the way it is. Like when I'm dieting and I'm in the last stages, sometimes I went to 1400 calories. And I have a lot of muscle. Right? So when you're just starting out, it's gonna be fucking hard. But if you are willing, if you have dedication and you really want to achieve your goal, then Cant doesn't exist. And you're gonna do whatever it takes. That's the only way to achieve success in anything, basically. Do whatever the fuck it takes. You know? Drop all the carbs out. Drop the calories. Add more cardio, more training. And you're gonna see magic. You're gonna lose weight again. So that's the only thing you should do, guys. Everything else is bullshit. Special diet tactics, special supplements, it's all fucking bullshit. The only way to lose weight is to be in a calorie deficit, burning more calories than you take in. That's basically the only way to lose weight, to lose body fat. There's no way around it. So, if you stop losing weight, or you're not losing weight altogether, you're just not in a calorie deficit. Don't say, I'm fasting and fasting doesn't work. I'm doing keto and keto doesn't work. Don't say that shit. If you're not losing weight, you're not in a calorie deficit. That's the only thing you should remember. Get a fucking notebook, write the shit down. If you're not losing weight, losing fat, you're not in a calorie deficit. There's no such thing as metabolic damage. There's no such thing of that shit. If you're in a deficit, you're gonna lose weight. And you can be at 120 pounds or you can be in 180 pounds. If you're in a deficit, you're gonna lose weight. The problem is most bodybuilders that diet down to very low body fat, they have problems because they stop losing weight at a certain percentage. But that's not because their bodies refuses to burn fat anymore. It's just the body wants to keep the fat, so it drops the calorie burn. So you need less and less calories the more you go down in body fat. So basically, when you stop losing weight, you have to go lower in calories. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you out. If you liked it, then please like the video, drop a comment, and definitely subscribe. Peace out, guys.